Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today is a very special day because our A to Z drawing journey is coming to a sweet ending. We have shared so many creative moments together, and this last step is going to be full of love, fun, and smiles. So, let's make this final zebra drawing super special and enjoy it together. Okay. Okay, guys, you did amazing, my friends. Our cute zebra is almost ready. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you enjoying drawing with me, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means the world to me. Okay, sending you lots of love and care. Yes. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.